Hello, Susan and Tim. Ken Latham, the design guy, signing on. Okay, let's go over what we've done with some of the windows. I've been through the structures and we've already set up our meeting for next week so we can get ready to get you finished up. So, some of the things I've done is come in here and I've added some Anderson windows on the floor plan. I'll call off on that what that window is, and then on the elevation I'm calling off actually what you're using for the stained glass. So in this case of the window that was there, that was window H, and then we get into the one that was up top. We were doing the Gothic window here, and that one was labeled NN. So if you look up on the elevations, you'll see those, not the 3D but the flat elevations. Then let's rotate this on around. This was the gable here that I was concerned with as far as taking space up. So that's where I actually came in and put in two of the windows where you had a pair. I went ahead and just stacked those over top of one another. Then also came in and you would ask for a window to go in here that's labeled also as being what it is on the elevation. So each one of those means it's an uninsulated area. It does not need to, we don't need to worry about having insulated glass, so those are good locations to use those. Rotate this on around. Same thing back here where we've got a piece of stained glass there. That was window I. Rotate this on around. One thing that I am going to look at is what is a standard transom for over top of that triple door so we don't end up with something custom. So I'll look into manufacturers and who we can use for windows and doors there. Then we had also talked about this window here. You're going to be getting me that one, which was window PP on your markups. And then I also need to insert the window that we had up in the gable here. The master bath, we also used Anderson window there as an awning window, and I sent you a list of those as well showing where each of those windows were being used. So, very good. This is Ken Latham, the design guy, signing off. You have a wonderful weekend. Bye now.